Most small creators don't even realize that YouTube is constantly rolling out settings that can either make or break your YouTube channel. YouTube is a platform that is always looking for ways to help its creators, honestly. So there are some settings that you can turn on that will get you subscribers, watch time, and engagement. Those things that you need to be successful on YouTube. These settings will give them to you. And the easiest part is that you can easily turn them on. It's not something that is complicated or something that is very hard to do. It is very, very easy to do. And ever since I've started using some of these settings, I've been getting subscribers every blessed day. Like, in a day I can get like 5 subscribers or 3 subscribers. The thing is that I am always getting subscribers every day. So let's just dive in. Let me show you these settings. Hey everyone, my name is Samuel. This channel is all about YouTube growth tips. So if you're interested in growing your YouTube channel with me, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you like this video, and please ensure you watch this video till the very end. It is very, very crucial that you watch it till the very end. So let's just dive into the topic. Let's break down the 3 settings that you need to turn on to blow up your YouTube channel. The first settings I'm going to be talking about is the personalized video recommendation. YouTube has updated how it recommends videos to viewers. In your advanced settings tab, you can find these settings there. So when you turn it on, you're now letting your videos to be recommended to people that or that have interacted with a video that is similar to yours. You know, all those creators that are doing the same thing as you. Once people watch such creators, the next video that will be playing after will be your video. You know, you don't have to be showing your videos to your subs. YouTube does not have to be showing your videos to just your subs. They can, you know, expand your reach to others as long as they've interacted to a similar content. So once you just turn this on, your videos will start getting recommended to everybody, not just your subscribers. The thing is that that person needs to, you know, interact with a video that is similar to yours. So just go to your advanced settings and turn this setting on. The second huge setting that YouTube just updated is the auto dubbing setting. YouTube now lets you automatically translate and dub your videos into multiple languages using AI voices. Like, this is very, very massive, because once you start using these settings, that means your video is no longer limited to English viewers or whichever language your video is in. It's no longer limited to such viewers. You can now like translate your video into various languages like French, Spanish, German, you know, all those Chinese languages, Indian, all those languages. You can now translate your videos into so many languages. It is very, very massive, and this is a very, very good news, because your videos is not just limited to just one particular language. So when you turn these settings on, this auto dubbing setting on, you've like literally exposed your videos to billions of new potential viewers worldwide. People from different parts of the world can now watch your videos, and you can find these settings in the YouTube desktop version. When you scroll down to the settings, I think you'd have to click general or something. I'm going to leave a screen record by the side of this video so you can see it. So when you go there, you just you know, click it on, toggle it on, and enable it on. And when you've enabled it on, your videos will start reaching so many people in different parts of the world. The thing is that you'll be getting millions and billions of viewers all over the world, and your comments section will be in different languages, because you know your video was translated into various languages using AI voice. So try to turn these settings on. When you turn it on, your views will start skyrocketing. Honestly, I've not actually tried this, but I just enabled it. So I'm just going to test. When I post this video, I'm going to find out if this video will get enough views. So that's it. Click on settings in your YouTube Studio desktop version. And you click on upload defaults. So when you click on upload defaults, just go to advanced settings and make sure you click on automatic dubbing. Have to enable this. So after clicking on this, your videos will be auto dubbed and translated into various languages. So this is it. The third setting I'm going to be talking about is the community interaction boost. This one is actually rolling out. It's still rolling out, but YouTube has updated this. You can find it under your permissions and features tab. So what does the community interaction boost do? What it does is it's prioritizes your videos and shows your videos to those that have either commented, liked, or voted on your community posts. That is why it's necessary to always post in your community. You know, some of you might think that it is not important, or maybe when you post you won't get likes or thumbs up and all that. You have to be posting, because as you're posting stuffs on that community tab, YouTube is showing it to new people, new audiences, people that have watched a similar video, people that have watched videos that are similar to yours. So whenever you're posting in that your community tab, YouTube is exposing your videos to new audience. So try to be using your community post, because the more you're using it, the more your videos will be getting seen by new people. So whenever you're using the community interaction tab, you're essentially boosting the reach of your next video. Just go to your settings and your community tab and enable your interaction. So whenever you post something there, whenever you post something in your community, be it just an ordinary post, a picture, a poll, asking people to vote for something and all that, whenever you do such, you're boosting the reach of your next video. So for example, now if you're going to upload a video on Tuesday, try to post something in your community on Monday, because when you post that thing in your community, YouTube will show it to so many people, even those that are not subscribed to your YouTube channel. You don't want your subscribers to be the only people watching your videos. You want new people, like every day. You want to be getting new viewers every day. That is why the community tab is there. Always use your community tab. Upload something there, post something there, and YouTube will expand your reach. So when you post your video the next day, you're going to get views, you're going to get new viewers. You can post something like what video should I create next, like a very simple post. Just always post something in your community tab. Someone like me, for example, in my YouTube homepage, whenever I'm scrolling, I usually see community posts from people that I'm not even subscribed to. So those community posts I see are usually because I watched a similar content related to their content. That is why I'm seeing their community posts. And if I'm interested in their videos, I can just click and watch some of their videos. So you need to be doing the same thing for yourself. Use your community tab. The additional tip I'm going to be adding in this video is the AI thumbnail and title setting, the A and B thumbnail setting. So you can actually upload like 3 different thumbnails on your video. Like if you're about to upload a video on YouTube, you can upload 3 different thumbnail, and the title, YouTube can let AI choose a title for you. You can use these settings particularly on videos that are dead, videos that are no longer getting views. Just try to use it, because when you use it, YouTube algorithm will be testing the thumbnails, the three thumbnails, to find out the one that people mostly clicked on. So that video will start getting views. So try to use these settings. It's in your YouTube desktop version. Just try it out, and you're going to see some changes in your videos. So out of all these settings I listed, I want you to go to the comment section and tell me the one that you're going to be trying, or the one that you've tried before. Just try to let me know in the comment section. I am dying to reply you guys. Like, I'm dying to respond to comments. So just go to the comments, go there and say something, and I will respond. If you have any questions about the settings I listed, please go to the comment section and ask me the question. And please, if you're confused about starting a YouTube channel, you don't know the niche to go for, you don't know like the niche that you can go for that will make your channel to blow up, I would advise you to watch the video card showing on your screen. Just click on that video and watch that video. It's going to be really, really helpful. So I'll see you guys in the next video.